Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Temple City local and long-distance movers near me. Any move over 100 miles is a long-distance move. This type of move requires the right type of service to make sure your things arrive on time and safely. We offer all the services you need to move just one state over or across the entire country. When you need to move, we provide all the necessary services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company may not be easy to justify. However, as you realize the benefits, you'll notice it's well worth the cost. Instead of recruiting friends and family to help, you can count on your local movers to do all the heavy lifting. Plus, the right moving company will save you a ton of time. Professional movers, such as 3Movers, can help ensure you arrive at your new destination safely and on time. We streamline the moving process for you. If the move would take you all week to complete, we can get it done in less than one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temple City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.